थोड़ा और इंतजार करें।
Wait a bit longer. Wait a bit longer.
हमें हफ्ते में एक बार साहिल समंदर पर जाने की इजाजत है।
We are allowed to visit the beach once a week. We are allowed to visit the beach once a week.
आपको कबूल करना होगा कि आप कौन हैं।
You have to accept who you are. You have to accept who you are.
बच्चों ने आज हुरूफ तहज्जी सीखे।
The kids learned the alphabet today. The kids learned the alphabet today.
इसके गले में एक गुलटी बन गई थी।
A lump had formed in her throat. A lump had formed in her throat.
वो धोखा दही पर दर्द से चलाया।
He cried out in pain at the betrayal. He cried out in pain at the betrayal.
मैं सिर्फ एक रात रहूंगा।
I would be staying only for a night. I would be staying only for a night.
हमारे सोने का वक्त गुजर चुका है।
It is already past our bedtime. It is already past our bedtime.
आपको रात के इस वक्त तक बाहर नहीं होना चाहिए।
You should not be out by this time of the night. You should not be out by this time of the night.
इसने उसकी फिक्र करना छोड़ दी थी।
She had ceased to worry over it. She had ceased to worry over it.
वो लंबी दौड़ के लिए बाहर निकल गया।
He went out for a long run. He went out for a long run.
बिल्ली सर्दी में कांप गई।
The cat shivered in the cold. The cat shivered in the cold.
मैंने अपने आप को बोलने पर मजबूर महसूस किया।
I just felt compelled to speak. I just felt compelled to speak.
दीवार में शिगाफ से पानी बह रहा था।
Water was spilling through the crack in the wall. Water was spilling through the crack in the wall.
में साहिल समंदर पर खींच लिया गया।
I pulled over at the beach. I pulled over at the beach.
वो गुस्से से अपने उस्ताद के पास गए।
They angrily walked up to their teacher. They angrily walked up to their teacher.
इसका चेहरा एक किताब में दफन था।
Her face was buried in a book. Her face was buried in a book.
उसने एक गर्मजोश शख्सियत को रोशन किया।
He radiated a warm personality. He radiated a warm personality.
मैं हिचकिचाहट के साथ मुंजमद खड़ा था।
I stood frozen with hesitation. I stood frozen with hesitation.
वो शख्स अपने इंटरव्यू लेने वाले को जवाब देने के लिए वापस मुड़ा।
The man turned back to give his interviewer a response. The man turned back to give his interviewer a response.
उसने अपने स्कूल के बैग से बैग निकाला।
She lifted out the bag from her school bag. She lifted out the bag from her school bag.
फलासक पर खुसूसी नाम लिखा हुआ था।
The flask had a customized name written on it. The flask had a customized name written on it.
वो सीढ़ियों के नीचे बैठ गया।
He sat down at the bottom of the stairs. He sat down at the bottom of the stairs.
मैंने घर वापसी के रास्ते में एक बेतरतीब पत्थर उठाया।
I picked up a random stone on the way back home. I picked up a random stone on the way back home.
मशहूर गुलकार गाते ही जज्बे से काम उठा।
The famous singer trembled with passion as he sang. The famous singer trembled with passion as he sang.
इसने गहरा सांस लिया और हुजूम का सामना किया।
He took a deep breath and faced the crowd. He took a deep breath and faced the crowd.
बच्चे कमरे में घुस गए।
The children flooded into the room. The children flooded into the room.
इसने अपना सामान फेंक दिया था।
He had stuff thrown his way. He had stuff thrown his way.
इसे अपनी तहकीक का नतीजा बताना था.
He had to explain the result of his research. He had to explain the result of his research.
वो थकावट से कमजोरी महसूस कर रही थी.
She felt weak from fatigue. She felt weak from fatigue.
मुझे अपने फेफड़ों के ऊपरी हिस्से में चीखने की शदीद जरूरत है.
I have an extreme need to scream at the top of my lungs. I have an extreme need to scream at the top of my lungs.
इसमें जो अल्फाज लिखे वो गलत थे.
The words she wrote were wrong. The words she wrote were wrong.
वो सारा दिन उसे नजरअंदाज करने की कोशिश करते रहे.
They tried ignoring her the whole day. They tried ignoring her the whole day.
मेरे पास अब यहाँ रहने की कोई वजह नहीं है.
I have no reason to be here anymore. I have no reason to be here anymore.
सूरत हाल में और भी था.
There was more to the situation. There was more to the situation.
वो बात करने से भी बेचैन था.
He was too disheartened to talk. He was too disheartened to talk.
बच्चे सुबह 7 बजे स्कूल के लिए रवाना हुए.
The kids departed for school at 7 in the morning. The kids departed for school at 7 in the morning.
बारिश के बादलों से आसमान सियाह हो गया.
The sky turned dark with rain clouds. The sky turned dark with rain clouds.
मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप मेरे सफर के साथी बने.
I want you to be my travel buddy. I want you to be my travel buddy.
वो कार्निवल की तमाम सरगर्मियों में शामिल हुआ.
He joined all the activities at the carnival. He joined all the activities at the carnival.
रेस्तुरां में बहुत ज्यादा लोग थे.
There were too many people in the restaurant. There were too many people in the restaurant.
आप सही जगह पर थे।
You were in the right place. You were in the right place.
इस शाम वो अपने ट्रक के पास खड़ा था।
He stood by his truck that evening. He stood by his truck that evening.
मुझे बेतरतीब सवालात पूछना पसंद है।
I like asking random questions. I like asking random questions.
वो अपने फोन की स्क्रीन से चिपकी हुई थी।
She was glued to her phone's screen. She was glued to her phone's screen.
खाला ने खाने के लिए दस्तरख्वान बिछाया।
Her aunt set the table for the food. Her aunt set the table for the food.
वो खौफ के मारे घर तक भागी।
She ran all the way home in fear. She ran all the way home in fear.
मैं तुम्हारी लापरवाही से मर सकता था।
I could have died because of your carelessness. I could have died because of your carelessness.
ये वही थी जिसने कार्रवाई का इशारा किया।
It was she who prompted the action. It was she who prompted the action.
इसने ठोकर खाने से पहले उसे धकेल दिया।
He pushed her before stumbling away. He pushed her before stumbling away.
मैं आपके लिए फाइलें ला सकता था।
I could have fetched the files for you. I could have fetched the files for you.
ये सड़क के दाईं तरफ है।
It is on the right-hand side of the road. It is on the right-hand side of the road.
मेरे बेटे का जोश वाव खरोश से सांस फूल रहा था।
My son was breathless with excitement. My son was breathless with excitement.
इसने रात की ठंडक में कदम रखा।
She stepped into the coolness of the night. She stepped into the coolness of the night.
खाने की ट्रे जानवरों से भरी हुई थी।
The food tray was clustered with animals. The food tray was clustered with animals.
अगले ही दिन वो कंपनी में आया।
He showed up the very next day at the company. He showed up the very next day at the company.
तकरीब रुकने के बाद मी ने दरवाजा खोला।
I made for the door after the event came to a stop. I made for the door after the event came to a stop.
वो भागने से पहले एक लम्हे के लिए रुक गया।
He paused a moment before sprinting away. He paused a moment before sprinting away.
वो कारोबारी मंसूबे बनाते रहे।
They kept on formulating business plans. They kept on formulating business plans.
वो पहले ही सख्त
आवाज देने लगी थी।
She was starting to sound tough already. She was starting to sound tough already.
मैंने कंधे झुकाते हुए जवाब दिया।
I responded with a shrug. I responded with a shrug.
इसने नरमी से उसे नई सीट पर बिठाया।
He gently ushered her to a new seat. He gently ushered her to a new seat.
बाकायदगी से वर्जिश करना आपके जिस्म के लिए अच्छा है।
Exercising regularly is good for your body. Exercising regularly is good for your body.
मैं अब भी मशीन पर काम कर रहा हूँ।
I am still working on the machine. I am still working on the machine.
वो गहरी सोच में डूबा हुआ दिखाई दिया।
He appeared to be deep in thought. He appeared to be deep in thought.
मुझे इसकी नजर तंग कर रही थी।
I was irritated by the look she was giving me. I was irritated by the look she was giving me.
मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपने जाए वक़्वा
पर अपने वहां मौजूद
होने का कोई निशान नहीं छोड़ा है।
I hope you did not leave any traces of your appearance at the scene. I hope you did not leave any traces of your appearance at the scene.
वो एक रात पहले इससे मिलने गया था।
He visited her the night before. He visited her the night before.
वो दोनों हाल में डांस करते रहे।
They both danced down the hall. They both danced down the hall.
वो दीवार से उल्टी लटकी लेकिन गिरी नहीं।
She hung upside down the wall but did not fall. She hung upside down the wall but did not fall.
तलबा पहाड़ी पर चढ़ गए।
The students trudged up the hill. The students trudged up the hill.
मेरी कमीज जूस से दागदार थी।
My shirt was stained with juice. My shirt was stained with juice.
इसके रद्द-अमल पर वो चौंक पड़ा।
He looked taken aback at her reaction. He looked taken aback at her reaction.
मैंने हैरत से मालूमात का जवाब दिया।
I responded to the information with a surprise. I responded to the information with a surprise.
इसे पकड़ना होगा।
He has to be apprehended. He has to be apprehended.
शाम तक खत भेजना तय था।
The letter was scheduled to be sent by evening. The letter was scheduled to be sent by evening.
स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल ने नताइज को बुलंद आवाज में पढ़कर सुनाया।
The results were read out loud by the principal of the school. The results were read out loud by the principal of the school.
मुझे काम से जल्दी निकलना पड़ा।
I had to depart early from work. I had to depart early from work.
इसने देखते ही तेज सांस ली।
He inhaled sharply at the sight. He inhaled sharply at the sight.
आपको ये यकीनी बनाना होगा कि मंसूबा इसके मुताबिक चले।
You have to make sure the plan goes accordingly. You have to make sure the plan goes accordingly.
इसने अपना बैग फर्श पर फेंक दिया।
He threw his bag to the floor. He threw his bag to the floor.
स्कूल के पास कवायद की एक फहरिस्त थी जिसकी पाबंदी तलबा को करनी चाहिए।
The school had a list of rules the students must abide by. The school had a list of rules the students must abide by.
इसे आने वाली बस से झटका दिया गया।
He was jerked away from the oncoming bus. He was jerked away from the oncoming bus.
वो उनके साथ शामिल होने का इंतजार कर रहे थे।
They waited for her to join them. They waited for her to join them.
मैं अपने खाने के वक्फे के लिए बाहर निकला था।
I went out for my lunch break. I went out for my lunch break.
हम गेट पर मौजूद थे।
We were situated at the gate. We were situated at the gate.
तुम्हारा बेटा जालिम बनने वाला है।
Your son is about to become a tyrant. Your son is about to become a tyrant.
कपड़े गीले होंगे।
The clothes would be wet. The clothes would be wet.
वो इत्तेफाकन उनके पास आया।
He casually walked up to them. He casually walked up to them.
मशहूर शख्सियत एक न्यूज़ चैनल पर लाइव चली गई।
The celebrity went live on a news channel. The celebrity went live on a news channel.